Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Escobar, also known as the Wannabe Balanced Mom. I have been documenting my quest for balance over on the Wannabe Balance blog for over a decade now. I have done all kinds of videos, from bedroom makeovers, how to live a healthy lifestyle, to the ER shred, building a business. Now I'm all about personal development and spend my time coaching women on how to create the life they ultimately want. The way I view balance now is completely different than I did back in 2010. Come join my monthly life coaching program, Wannabe Balanced. I'm an empowerment coach who helps women overcome perfectionism and the need to please. I teach women how to connect to their own intuition through independent thought, intentional living, and mindfully eating. Growing up in the Mormon church, I believed I was striving for perfection only to feel regularly defeated. I got used to being told what to do and how to live. I desperately wanted to be what others told me I should be, constantly hustling for my worthiness. I never truly understood what it meant to follow my heart. It wasn't until I had made the decision to leave the church that I began to learn how to be an independent thinker. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm absolutely passionate about helping others discover for themselves what it means to create the life you truly want, not the life others have planned out for you. Although I started out as a Mormon mom, my goal has always been the same: to find balance and peace as I strive to become the best version of myself.